So we've got walls now. It's the dining room. My wife's standing right in the middle there. I kind of wish this entryway was open, was higher ceilings. Oh well. My garage. Wonder where I put the old weight bench. Probably over there. Park the car here. Laundry room, pretty big. That'd be cool. You have a little folding station in there too, so I don't have to have clothes scattered all over the place. Hear that, honey? Mm-hmm. You can put a little folding station in the laundry room. It's big enough to where whenever our clothes are done, you can just toss them on that rather than toss them on our floor or on our bed or wherever they normally end up. What?
Let me have my tape measurement ready.
It's our kitchen. Fireplace. Vaulted ceilings in here, which will help. And my office. Tiny. The office could be bigger for sure. There's our little storage area. Pretty cool. Luciana had to fight to get that open spot. Our bedroom, tiny. Wish it was bigger. Small. Oh well.
It's a really big size.
This is a big bedroom?
Yeah.
Alright.
Normally a bedroom is like, we still have all the space there.
Where's our bed gonna be? Where's our bed gonna be?
Here. We can use this two windows.
Alright. That's a good idea. My closet. Her closet. It's got an outlet in there too, that's nice. Put a radio in there or something. Bathtub.
Sink.
Ah. What's the next thing? A toilet there, that'd be funny. You go check on the kids, honey?
They're good.
You can tell from here?
Yeah.
That's cool. What is this gonna be?
Oh, closet.
For towels, I guess. And there's the bathroom. That's pretty cool. Now we go upstairs. So you're supposed to put balusters there, but they messed up. So we're working with them. I don't know why they put this drywall on. I guess they just didn't get the change order in time. But that's their problem, not ours. Not sure what that is. It's just a little place to, a little media hub or something. I don't know. This is Natalie's bedroom. Bathtub. Playroom. Pretty cool. It's big up here. Gabby's bedroom, Mason's bedroom, or whichever way they want to do it. There's our car, our cul-de-sac. And you got that little. This is how it's gonna be. There's no houses over there, so we pretty much will have the cul-de-sac between us and Brian and Karen. There's a bigger bathroom here. It's nice. That's it.